Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Zurich. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. With me here is now Antipa Minerals, and Roger Mason, the managing director out of Australia, is here to give us an insight for the first time on Commodity TV.
Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Great to have you here. What is the company about? Can you give us a short overview, please?
Antipa is an exploration company with a very large-scale asset in Western Australia. It's in the Paterson province, which is a gold-copper-focused project area. The company has been around since 2011, so in our 9th year now. We've made several discoveries in this particular region, which in recent times has become a worldwide exploration hotspot due to a couple of major discoveries.
Fantastic. What are the metals you are searching for?
Gold and copper primarily are the two main focus metals. There are other metals in the province, but that's what we're delivering.
Fantastic. I saw in your presentation that you have kind of an earn-in running with Rio Tinto. Can you comment on that, please?
Yes. So we've got about 5,000 square kilometres of total ground in
small.
the province. So a huge area.
Wow.
And about a third of that, so 1,300 square kilometres, we have a joint venture or farm-in with Rio Tinto. That's a $60 million farm-in, Australian dollar farm-in, for up to 75%. And it's fully funded by Rio Tinto. And again, their focus is, I suppose, copper and gold, but clearly copper is a big emphasis for Rio.
Yeah, for sure. Because I think they are even one of the largest or second largest producer of copper in the world. So
correct.
They're really searching for more resources for the future, right? Great. 2019. What do you have achieved? What showed the drills so far?
Yeah, well, it's been a very, very busy year for us. We've basically our programs are split into two packages, if you like. The fully funded Rio Tinto exploration program, $3.4 million Australian, funded by Rio. That's a combination of geophysical surveys and up to 10,000 metres of drilling, a combined focus, greenfield discovery, and also resource growth opportunity. So that's sort of in full swing now for the calendar year coming to the end. On our 100% ground, so the remainder of the portfolio, we've been undertaking several key components, mainly greenfield discovery focused. So far we're drilling up to about 25,000 metres this year, calendar year, and completing some large-scale geophysical surveys as well, looking for new discoveries and some resource growth work.
Fantastic. Resource growth, that's one of the keywords. I saw it already that you have resources, and maybe this is a target for 2020. What else do you want to do in 2020?
2020, we've made some significant discoveries or leads to that effect this year during the drilling program. Recent releases have flagged some drill hits up to sort of 4 metres at 8 grams per tonne gold from reconnaissance drilling. So part of 2020 will be seriously focused on furthering that discovery area and then also resource growth work via drilling and some more geophysics as well.
So really busy, I would say.
Yes, it'll be another busy year for us. The region itself, Rio Tinto, in late 2017 made a very large discovery called Winu, which they've been drilling out with 14 drill rigs and a 300-person camp. So that's a very sizable copper gold silver deposit in excess of a couple of kilometres long, 500 metres thick or thicker, and 800 metres or so deep and open in all directions. So they've been working very vigorously in that area. And then down to the south, another company has been working on the Havieron high-grade gold copper deposit, which Newcrest are also working in joint venture with.
Fantastic. So what is, let's say, if we go a little bit longer term, your game plan for the future? I mean, Rio Tinto is one thing. As you said, you are like a little bit divided in two pieces, So when Rio Tinto has done the 60 million, the 75% earn-in, I think everything is fine for you because probably you move then to development stage, maybe for production, because I could imagine Rio Tinto wants to do that. But what is the game plan with the rest of the property? Do you want to develop it by yourself? Could you imagine to do more, let's say, joint ventures, earn-ins, whatever?
Well, the main focus for the board and the strategy that we initiated was to become a developer, a miner in the province. The board has strong mining experience and project development experience. So we still hold that aspiration. Clearly, a large discovery is something we would like to put on the table within the next 12 months. Hopefully, we've got the tail of the tiger at the moment with our new discovery at Reaper and Poblano and Serrano. But yes, really it's about big discoveries. If we get the opportunity to develop a mine, then we're more than capable of doing so.
Fantastic. As you have a heavy workload, I would call it, what is cash in the bank? Are you financed for that for 2020?
We're financed well into 2020. At the moment, we've got 6.7 million Australian dollars in cash.
Super.
That's Antipa money. We have in addition, $3.4 million that Rio Tinto fund on the Citadel project. So investors are exposed to well-funded, large-scale exploration programs.
Great. Who are your largest shareholders? What is management's skin in the game?
Management and institutions hold about 12% of the company. So we're the largest collective group of shareholders. So motivated to benefit the shareholding group, definitely.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much. Looks like a busy 2020, and you have the money. That's important. So I would say keep the drills turning and show us more discoveries.
Fantastic. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Roger Mason, the Managing Director of Antipa Minerals. And you heard it, approximately 1,300 square kilometers out of 5,000 are in an earn-in agreement with Rio Tinto. $60 million overall will be spent there. The company is well cashed up for 2020 and the drills are turning. So check it out. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Zurich.
Thank you.